Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete your Quotex account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Quotex app. So once you tap open your Quotex app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply be redirected to this interface. So here you need to tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on it, you need to now simply scroll down below to the bottom of the screen and find the delete account option. So simply tap on it and tap on request deletion. Then you will get a confirmation mail in your email account. So simply tap on the email sent and tap on the link provided. Once you tap on it, you can find that your account has now been successfully deleted from the Quotex section. So this is how you delete your Quotex account in a simple, easy manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.